Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix not change country or region on Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to change country or region in your Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to change your country or region, you might see any kind of error. So let's see some possible fixes, or let's see the correct way to change country or region without any issue like that. So the very first thing, you have to simply open your settings app, and now in settings, you just have to make sure that you are connected to a stable and strongest network connection. After that, go to General section, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and go to language and region option. Select region and select your own region from here. After selecting your region, just go back, go to data name section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to software update. Just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and then tap on your Apple ID. And here, just select subscriptions. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any subscriptions here. If you find any subscriptions, just try to delete or cancel your subscriptions. After canceling the subscription, you have to also check your Apple Wallet if you have any remaining credit balance in your Apple Wallets. You have to try to spend them out. So after spending all of your balance, you have to open your App Store and then tap on the profile option at the top right. Then tap on your profile or your Apple ID. And here you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select country or region option from here. Now you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or you have to select the country or region which you have just selected in your Apple ID or in your iPhone settings. I'm gonna select this one because I have already selected this. So just select this option from here. Then tap on continue here, and then tap on agree at the top right. And now on this screen, if you have any payment method, so you can add it here. If you have any payment method, it might be your credit or debit card, your PayPal account, your mobile phone, or any other service based on your location. You can easily enter it here. After adding your payment method, you have to enter your billing address, your phone number, your name. You have to make sure that you have entered correct billing address, your street. These are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you can search from Google. Then enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all this happened, then option in the top right, and your country, your region will be successfully changed without any issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're facing any issue in changing of your country or region. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.